senior stylist Gabrielle Michael, right here. Now, he has been with our team now for coming up to 8 months. He's got an extensive hairdressing history, a few awards under his belt. He's a very, very accomplished stylist as well as colorist. He does have his strong points in salon here with us. His cutting is above and beyond. We're constantly learning from him. We're also constantly learning from him on how to do brown. He has come along to our team because we do a lot of vivid work in salon, and he has picked up pretty much just about everything we know about vivids, and quite quickly as well. So he'll be demonstrating today just another vivid technique for you guys, just color placement and just to answer a few questions that you might have.
Good morning and welcome to Razor Dolls. My name is Gabrielle Michael. I've been currently with Razor Dolls now for 8 months, and we've been working through some vivid colour techniques today. What we will be showcasing today is a veil section that we've pre-sectioned out, falling over the top of a melt section. So we'll have our veil in our apple green, falling over the top of our sea blue into our daisy yellow. These techniques are quite common here in Razor Dolls. I know a lot of salons sort of haven't, or would probably not do as much vivid work as we do here, but this is quite a normal, common, sort of everyday technique that we would use here every day on our clients, just to give them like a really bright, happy hairdo. It's something that you could introduce into your salons if you're not doing a lot of vivid work, and it'll be something that clients will feel quite happy to sort of walk out feeling really refreshed, really bright, and yeah, we'll go through all the techniques and melts as we're sort of cruising through the colours.
Can you feel like drunk? like this, and I might fuck my shit. I think I might just like this. I say I don't like shit. I think I might just like this. At least I don't cut my wrist. At least I don't run from shit. At least I got rid of my shit. I'm doing too much. No, not down with it. No, not proud of it. Noisy and loud of it. Bought that powder shit. Now I'm out of it. Bought an ounce of it. Like the sound of it. Don't sleep up, I run. She can take me up. Can you feel like drum? I just want this gun. I just wanna bum. Can you feel like drum?
So we've finished our application now. We have underneath our foil, we have our sea blue roots coming into our melt, into our daisy yellow, and then we've foiled up this section here to keep all our sections nice and clean so we don't get colour crossovers, and we've applied the apple on top, and that will be our veil that will fall through. Processing time with Vivids is 30 minutes, so we'll let this one rest and cook for a while, and we'll come back to you when we're rinsing.
We're removing the darker blue section first. So we would ask the client to tilt her head onto the side.
I just bought this gun. I just wanna bum. Can you feel like drugs? Don't say walk I run. She can take me on. Can you feel like drugs? I just bought this gun. I just wanna bum. Can you feel like drugs? Can you feel like drugs? Can you feel like drugs? Can you feel like drugs?
So as you can see, we've got our veil section that falls over the top. So this sort of hides our sections of colour that we've placed in underneath. So the veil being that is a veil, it falls over the top of our colour and hides what's coming in underneath. Now you can sort of section this out and bring out this stronger colour if you're wearing like a top knot or something like that. Once again, we've got like a really nice sea blue into our yellow and with our apple green on the top, or we can just sort of divide it out into sort of bigger sections to bring your colour through again. So it's like one of those little hidden things that you can put away or you can open up and bring out.
Bought that powder shit.